Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. As you are aware that PDM comprising 11 political parties of Pakistan, they launched a series of public meetings and gatherings in all major cities. And they have also started a second, series of that. And a couple of meetings they have already conducted. They have also planned to stage a protest, demonstration rather, in front of Office of Election Commission of Pakistan. And they are intending to demand about the early decision of a case of foreign funding which is pending in Election Commission of Pakistan. So they are going to show their power there in Islamabad. So as my analysis, actually PDM wants to assess its power. They will try to make it very much successful in order to uh, create a sort of impression in government of Pakistan and PTI, especially PTI leadership and the institutions. So they will try to their level best. Ministry of Interior and Mr. Sher Rashid should not take it lightly, because as per my assessment, the PDM will try to bring people from all corners of Pakistan and all cities of Pakistan, and they will try to create a sizable gathering here in front of Election Commission of Pakistan. And after that will be a sort of rehearsal of that big sit-in they have planned in future, maybe in March after elections of senates. So this is a sort of rehearsal. They are doing that as by my assessment. And I must say, I must want to suggest to the government that they should also take it as a rehearsal. If this event is very successful, PDM leadership will feel encouraged, and they will certainly then make a plan, and that plan could be little early then, because the weather condition will be good in March. And you see that, keep in your mind that Ramadan is also coming in April. So most probably the ideal month for sit-in activity or other protest activity which they have planned in Islamabad. I think that by the end of February or in the March, that is most possible, because in the middle of April there will be Ramadan. So before Ramadan, they will try to achieve their targets here. So will they achieve the targets? This is the question. I guess that if the city government did not give relief to the common people, reduce the price hike, then certainly they will be able to attract to common people as well. And if the common people will also be part of that protests, sit-in or gatherings, etc., then that will be a difficult situation for government. Recently, you see that a couple of days before, the government has raised petroleum price. Government has also raised the tariff of electricity and power. And you see that domestic users, they are common people. They are suffering a lot. So these two raises in the prices of oil and power will certainly affect to the prices of other commodities. So I must say that these steps should be taken after due care, and government should not be overconfident. So the government should focus towards its performance and try to give relief to the common people, uh, just to enable and make sure that they are not attracted by the agitational politics PDM. So let's see what actually happens on Tuesday. But I see that if the proper steps are not taken to have security of the capital, there may be a big you see gathering. This is I wanted to share with you. Please keep me in your praise. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.